Okay, what's this?
Dog.
What does a dog say? Okay. There's a cat. What does a cat say? There's a duck. What does a duck say?
Gaga.
Bear.
Wow.
Wow. What does penguin say?
It wobble.
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 What is the?
Later.
Yeah. What does he say? Zebra.
Goodbye.
Bunny. What does a bunny say?
Oi.
What does a chicken? What does a chicken say? What does a mouse say? What does a bird say? A bird. Oh. What about a fish? What does a cow say? Oh, what does a cow say? Moo. What does an owl say? Owl. Owl. Yeah, what does an owl say? What does he say? Ooh. Oh yeah, okay. Good. I like the penguin the best. What does he say? Wobble wobble. That's right. And the bear? Ooh, it sounds ferocious. I'm scared. Yeah, bunny. Zebra. What's the bunny say? Wow, cool. Oh, bunny says row. I think a mouse says squeak, squeak, squeak. That's a chicken. It's a bird. Tweet, tweet. Yep. Or choo choo maybe. What does it say? Cow? Moo. Right. Duck. What does duck say? Caca. I think it means quack, quack. Cat. More? What's that? Bear? Penguin? Zebra? Bunny rabbit? Rabbo rabbo? Oh, you're giving it a kiss. That's right. Can you give me a kiss? Can you give Daddy a kiss? Mouse. Cow. Moo. Give me a kiss. Kiss the cow. Do I kiss the cow? Can you kiss Dad? All right. We did all of them.